In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the blanking fill effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working with vertical clips and looking to enhance them more creatively, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this effect to add a polished, cinematic touch to your project. We begin our journey on the Edit page of DaVinci Resolve, which is where all the magic happens. Our focus today is on using a vertical clip, which presents its own unique set of challenges and opportunities. Vertical videos have become increasingly popular, particularly for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. However, they often leave blank spaces on either side when viewed on widescreen formats. The blanking fill effect helps address this by beautifully filling out those spaces, making your video look more cohesive on different screens. To get started, direct your attention to the Effects library located above the Preview window. Here, DaVinci Resolve offers a wide range of tools to enhance your editing process. Click on Effects, and once the menu unfolds, look for the section titled Resolve FX. This section hosts numerous powerful effects, but today we're honing in on one specific tool, Blanking Fill. Simply type Blanking Fill into the search bar for quick access. Now that you've found the Blanking Fill effect, it's time to apply it to your clip. It's as simple as clicking and dragging. Grab the blanking fill effect and drag it directly onto your timeline, dropping it over the clip you're working with. This application immediately begins to transform your video, yet we still have the opportunity to customize it further. Customization is key in achieving the perfect look for your project, and DaVinci Resolve's Inspector menu provides a detailed way to tweak the blanking fill settings. Once the effect is applied, select the clip to open the inspector. Here, you can modify various parameters to suit your creative vision. Adjust options like the background blur, scale, and more until you achieve the perfect balance that enhances your visual storytelling. Remember, the blanking fill not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your video, but also helps maintain the viewer's focus by softening the distraction of empty space. Whether you're creating content for social media, a digital portfolio, or personal storytelling, these types of enhancements can make a substantial difference in viewing experience and professionalism. And that's it. You've successfully used the blanking fill effect in DaVinci Resolve to elevate your vertical videos, making them fit seamlessly across various viewing platforms. Feel free to experiment with different settings until you find what works best for your specific project. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.